2024, we provisionally qualified for the Electric American Solar Challenge, a biennial collegiate competition where university teams design, build, and drive solar-powered vehicles. There, we raced over 200 kilometers on public roads, promoting innovation in sustainable transportation. We, empowering the sun, are UBC Solar.
At UBC Solar, one of our primary goals is to design, manufacture, and race solar cars, but also to have hands-on experience in engineering, leadership, and teamwork. While we are students, our team does operate a lot like a startup, where we're managing our own projects, we're tackling complex design problems, particularly related to sustainability, and of course, to get all of this done, we are raising funds for our project.
Comprised of 3 teams and 10 sub-teams, UBC Solar is made up of mechanical, electrical, and business teams, each team showcasing an immense amount of skill sets.
Aeroshell, the low voltage system and the high voltage system,
Social media,
load-bearing structure, suspension, braking, and steering systems,
team branding,
input sensors,
sponsorship outreach,
programming the microcontroller,
finances,
and much more. Building upon our success in 2024, we are now implementing targeted improvements and a comprehensive overhaul of the vehicle's core systems and changes to the gut of the car to improve our performance and to learn if the changes we make should be implemented in the next car we are designing from scratch. Our initiative is to evaluate whether these changes will yield consistent improvements, ultimately guiding the design of our next generation solar vehicle. Last year, you helped us all by raising $7.6 thousand, breaking the barrier of what we need by almost $3,000. This year, to turn these visions into reality, we're aiming to raise $10,000. Your support will directly impact our ability to innovate, compete, and inspire. Join us in driving the future of clean energy. Together, we can make history at the Formula Sun Grand Prix 2025 and beyond.